Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audioconcepts, and today we have this stunning bright Porsche. It's travelled from Cheltenham. Customer wanted something specific done and couldn't get no one to do it, but we can. And at the same time, we've sold him an upgraded audio system. Now this car has Bose, excuse me, I'm just getting in. So now he's got wireless Apple CarPlay or Android if you have an Android phone. We've retained his parking sensors. This particular vehicle has no steering control, so it can be a bit of a nightmare to do, but not for us. This unit now comes with a 3-year warranty. Because we're a pro installer, you get that upgrade. Again, if you buy this off the internet, you have to find someone to fit it, and you're lucky to get a 1-year warranty, because then you have to fight between Kenwood and the installer. Here, if there's an issue, we will rectify it. If it's an internal issue, we will get it rectified behind the scenes. So if something like this interests you, give us a ring. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB, reverse camera option if you need it. What more can I say? Excellent bit of kit. Come and see us.